Hi, so I'm James Perkins, I'm from the University of Malaga, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a Quarto-Based digital book to support bioinformatics teaching across diverse academic backgrounds. Before I begin, I'd like to say thank you to the International University of Andalusia, who awarded me a TDI grant, which made this work possible. So myself and the other members of my team, we are professors in the Master's Programme in Advanced Biotechnology at the University of Malaga and the International University of Andalusia. And we teach in the course Bioinformatics and Data Processing. And teaching bioinformatics presents certain challenges. And the aim of this project is to overcome these challenges and improve student learning within this course. So the principal problems arise from the academic background diversity. So the students in this course, they've come from a wide range of fields, including biology, biochemistry, environmental sciences, engineering, etc. This is great. This enriches the classroom, makes it a very interesting master's, but it can lead to different starting levels in terms of bioinformatics, programming and data analysis ability and skills. And there's also a wide variety in terms of experience and confidence in computing. So the sort of familiarity with computational thinking, knowledge and coding varies widely amongst the students. And also motivation can vary greatly. And currently the way it works is students follow slides on the screen and try the commands on their computers whilst the instructor is explaining the code to them. And some students, this works fine and they can follow and understand simultaneously. However, others tend to get lost. So the solution to this problem is to create a single resource, a single digital book that complements the course. Okay, so the idea is we have a book or a resource with everything in one place. This makes it quick to access, easy to access, and it can contain text, images, code, all in the same format. And as I say, it's designed to complement the slides. So the idea is we go from this is an example of the kind of the slide, a typical slide from the course. And as you see here, we have some code. This is about assigning variables in R. And yeah, we have some code where they assign variables, and then we have a lot of kind of conceptual and descriptions of what's happening. And the idea is we go from this to the presentation, can focus on the concepts, on the theory, etc. And the actual code, and some also descriptions about the code and things like that, can go in the digital book. And the idea is we have instead of a presentation-based system, we have a dual system whereby the students look at the book, they have the reference there, and then to actually know the code, and then to know about the theory, they have the presentation. And some details about the technology we used, how it's structured. We have different chapters for the different units in the course. These are very typical R, BLAST, RNA-seq, very typical kind of bioinformatics content. It's built using the Quarto technology alongside R Markdown and Knitr. We use several R packages for visualization, and the output is an interactive HTML and also a PDF, okay, for the students that want to download the notes. And yeah, we have integrated sort of narrative about the code and executable code within the book. So in terms of technology, with Quarto, we use Markdown, so it's very easy to create content. All you do, this is going to be, for example, a section header, learning R, variables, here's some text, here's another header or a subheader, and then we have some code here below it. And then when we do render, it actually looks like this. So we have, we have the section header, we have the code, we have everything all on the same page. And yeah, this is just an example of the resource. So you can see on the left, you've got a kind of navigation system. You can go to different chapters. So we go to one chapter, Introduction to R and Networks, and you can see, it's got some code, it's got some information, etc., and you can navigate here. You can also search. You can download as well. You can download the whole book as a PDF. Looks like this. And yeah, just about the impact. Well, before we had slides with code, limited discussion time. Now the book handles the code and we can just focus on concepts. And yeah, the main outputs, please have a look at the digital book. You can find it here, Jim Perkins, GitHub.io, BIF. And to conclude, we've made a usable, structured, accessible resource for diverse learners. And in the future, we want to expand this, add more advanced topics, get feedback, embed quizzes and tutorials. So thank you very much for listening.